Yo, well, there's more than one way of taking a mirror off, and this is the only way I can get these suckers off. They are siliconed on too well, so off they come. But I have got some rubber gloves and I've got safety glasses on. Yeah! So there you go. I've been thinking all weekend how to get them off. And this is the only way. Because I think if I was super careful, I'd end up breaking the suckers anyway. Trying to hang on to them. So this was it. Sometimes DIYers, you just take the bull by the horns. Then I'll get a hand to I'll keep it in the drop sheet. Then I'll just have a hand to carry it down the stairs and straight into the skip, drop sheet and all. Because my next job, because I've got a small bath going here, I need to put in a niche for the bath in about there. The glass screen is there, so I need to stay off it a little bit, like 100 mil or maybe a little bit more. It's all good, so I'll do that shortly. There, problem solved. 2 mirrors off. Yeah, hey, we'll catch up with you soon. See ya, bye.